The centre today informed the Supreme Court that a new data protection bill is ready and will be introduced in the monsoon session of Parliament. The Enforcement Directorate is questioning Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Tejasvi Yadav in a money laundering case in connection with the railway land for job scams in New Delhi. Union Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal has said that India will become the third largest economy by 2027 while addressing the Indian diaspora community in Paris yesterday. The Election Commission of India has granted national party status to Aam Aadmi Party (AAP). The Commission, however, withdrew the national party status of All India Trinamool Congress (AITC), Communist Party of India, and Nationalist Congress Party. The Bihar government has taken a decision to recruit teachers in government schools through a commission.